Hai, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this video, we want to present our group assignment for subject Statistics for Real Estate Management. For our presentation, first of all, I'm going to introduce myself and each member. My name is Siti Noashima binti Aminuddin, and the others member is Putri Inshira binti Hasbullah, Nur Shakina binti Jeffrey, Nur Halifah binti Muhammad Khairul Anwar, and Nur Ain Najiha binti Muhammad Azwan. So, for introduction is to ascertain the relationship between two variables. We will gather numerical data for this study. The independent variable is the variable that can be changed, while the dependent variable is the variable that is affected by the independent variable. Next is methodology. So, the method we use is by delivering Google Form to UTHM student only on WhatsApp and Telegram. So, for objective is the relationship between the amount of time students spend studying and what grade they obtain. The number of responses is 30 students of UTHM. So, this is the data that we collected from Google Form. Next is scatter plot. X is student study hour, independent variable. Y is grade achieved, dependent variable.
Simple linear regression model. Simple linear regression is a statistical technique used to find relationship between variables for the purpose of predicting future values. In addition, it allows us to see trends and make predictions based on the data that has been obtained. Y is dependent or response variable to be modeled. X, the independent or predictor variable used as a predictor of Y. The least square method. The method of least square is a standard approach in regression analysis to approximate the solution of overdetermined system sets of equations in which there are more equations than unknowns. Least square means that the overall solution minimizes the sum of the square of the residuals made in the result of every single equation. Okay, for the question B, when mean n equal 30, y bar equal to summation of y divided by n equal to 98.5 divided by 30 and we get 3.22. Next, x bar equal to summation of x divided by n equal to 143 divided by 30 and we get 4.03. Then y-intercept beta 0 plus beta 1s in this question. We use formula 1 which is sxy equal to summation of xi yi minus 1 divided by n open bracket summation of xi close bracket summation of yi close bracket. Summation of xy equal to 434.4, summation of x equal to 121 and the last one is summation of y equal to 96.6 and sxy equal to 434.4 minus 1 divided 30 open bracket 121 close bracket open bracket 96.6 close bracket and the final answer is 33.78. We move on to formula 2 which is sx equal to summation of xi to the power of 2 minus 1 divided by n open bracket summation of xi close bracket and the power of 2. Then summation of xi to the power of 2 is equal to 639 and summation of x equal to 121, which sx equal to 639 minus 1 divided 30 open bracket 121 close bracket to the power of 2, which we got 150.97. Okay, for formula 3, beta 1 equal to sxy divided by sxx, which is 33.78 divided 150.97, which we get 0.2238. And for formula 4, beta 0 equal to y-intercept of y minus beta 1x, which is 3.22 minus 1 minus 0.2238 open bracket 4.03 close bracket, and we get 2.3181. And for the formula 5, which is the final answer, beta 0 plus beta 1x, which is 2.3181 plus 0.2238x.
For the question C, we will find determination and coefficient. The first is determination. We use formula r to the power of 2 equal in bracket sxy the power of 2 divided by sxx times syy. We know that the value of sxy equal to 33.78 and the value of sxx equal to 150.97, and we need to find the value of syy. To find the value of syy, we use summation of yi to the power of 2 minus 1 divided by n times summation of yi to the power of 2, and we got the summation of yi to the power of 2 equal 322.58 and summation of yi equal to 96.6. syy equal to 322.58 minus 1 divided by 30 times in bracket 96.6 the power of 2, and we got 11.528, and move back to r the power of 2, which equal in bracket sxy the power of 2 divided by sxx times syy, which is 33.78 the power of 2 divided by in bracket 150.97 times in bracket 11.528, and the final answer is 0.6557. And we move on the coefficient. We use formula sxy divided by square root sxx times syy. We know the value of sxy equal to 33.78 and sxx equal to 150.97 and syy equal to 11.528. So r equal to sxy divided by square root sxx times syy. So equal 33.78 divided by square root in bracket 150.97 times in bracket 11.528, and we got 0.8097. So in conclusion, based on our preliminary analysis of a data set of 30 samples, we discovered a positive relationship between the number of hours students study, which is represented by X, and the excellent grades they achieve, represented by Y. These findings lead
us to develop the assumptions about the relationship between study hours and academic performance.